Alrighty. Once again, nothing new in the mail. My favorites. It's really anything but my favorite, but whatever. We can do. Alright, it is Tuesday, 23rd. We got the update being released in 2 days' time. Although I will probably be able to actually update my game tomorrow evening. That's typically how it goes. For some updates, I would stream that night just to see if there was anything I could do. But with this one, it really doesn't seem like there's much point. I don't think that any... Like, I could get the wallpaper, obviously. But, like, it honestly doesn't really matter. Like, it leaked to my concerns. Oh, I did a dumb. I did a big dumb. Alright, I will be right back. Alright. Ugh. Well, these things are not for me. Those are for a trade, so I'm just gonna drop those here. Whew. Alrighty. Well, we don't have much going on today. I don't know who's visiting yet. But basically, I'm just gonna check the stores, deal with whoever is visiting, and that'll be that. Because, like, really, I already picked the roses yesterday, so it's not like I can pick them again today. And really not much else is going on. They're having a fun little hangout. That's nice. Okay, let's keep this going. I mean, really, this is... I just want to do a quick one today. Like, just get things done and be done. I made a mistake yesterday. It's not really a mistake, but I started playing Neo. And, wow. It's not Animal Crossing related, but I did play through Bloodborne, like, last month. I had a very good time with that. It wasn't very bad. I got through it with, you know, not too much frustration. I was pretty good at the system, I guess. I don't know, it's the first Souls-like that I've played, and I had a pretty good time with it. But Neo is... I don't know, Neo seems a little bit different. Obviously, it's different, but... seems to be more initial challenge to me. But maybe that's because I've been primed by Bloodborne. Which still could be better than being primed by Dark Souls in this case. It's so fast. But that's where I'm at right now. Oh, okay, so Punchy's sick, and I forgot I already got the recipe from Goldie. Why do these trees have to give such bad items so much of the time? I don't need these non-variant things. Why can't I just get, like, good ones? It's kind of annoying. Also, not seeing anyone here. Red is not here. I have not seen the plaza, so it's looking like it could be there. Which, a little concerning. Could be like LaBelle today. Thinking it's LaBelle today. Yep. That was pretty simple. Okay. Yep, this is gonna be very quick. Because, I mean, I don't need anything to develop. As I've said, Getting a different visitor rotation would be cool. You never know, though. You never know. It's just gonna be one of those big wait and see what they do things. Oh, that's right, it's Tuesday today. I said maybe they'll put an update video out, but I don't think they're going to. I don't think that's gonna happen. I think I swear I looked at their Twitter earlier today. Let me pull it up. Tiger Woods is trending for some odd reason. Not gonna bother, but that's something you don't see every day. It's from Pee Wee. Jail bars. I'm gonna keep these jail bars. I'm gonna move this. We're gonna check the drum set. First, I'm just looking. Yeah, no, they just have... Okay, hold on. Nintendo said that they literally... I think they had already said this, but they tweeted out that you can place more than 2 pipes and it'll randomly choose a thing. Wow, why do people have to have such bad takes? I don't get people. They're so bad. Like, you just go on this, there's a tweet, and the person's like, how can the update arrive on the 25th, but you can't purchase anything until a week later? What's the point in that? First person replies, to have it pre-installed and ready to go. Yes, you want to have things updated prior to the fact it's... Like, what? That's such a bad take. Such a bad take. Also, like, you release midweek, not on the weekend, and you want to release before the weekend so that, like, if there's, like, you know, because otherwise it's the Monday. I don't... People. Those are Imperial decorative shelves in brown. We need the black ones. I will confirm that I'm not crazy. There you go. See, those are the brown ones. Great. Drum kit. Drum set. I have 5. I still need 3. And I can only assume there are 8. So, yeah, that's that. We have the diner sofa, obviously, the automatic washer, yes, knife block, all that. Yep. Well, that's that. Let's grab a shovel and get out of here. Wow, 2,000 whole bells. Amazing. Where is OBS? There we are. Alright, well, this has been... it's been one of those days. I'm gonna take this away. I don't want that out anymore. I'll put the other stuff out. I'll deal with some. I'll put something else there. We'll put that away soon. We got all this to just go in storage and the jail bars to keep for a rainy day or whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna just go to Harv's, get my daily point, and then I'll call it. So it's been just about 15 minutes here. So quick stream, just getting things done. We're just gonna get through this week. We'll get the update, obviously, but I don't really think that unless, I mean, obviously there's always stuff outside of the official, like, North American press release, and then the Japanese press release gets, like, all the details for most of them. Once the data miners do their work, maybe we'll see there's, like, other stuff, but, like, they've been pretty good on, like, clamping down on, like, leftover stuff so that, like, they can't see that stuff, probably because, like, people got too hyped about Brewster or, like, potential museum expansions, and people are like, uh-oh, we gotta hide this because this isn't actually happening for a long time. Maybe that's what it was. Like, maybe it was never supposed to be released, until like a year or at least a year, and when they had that stuff in the code and people were mining, they're like, oh, we better put this away, or you know, it could be that. But anyway, when the update does come out, it will technically be out for me tomorrow evening. Um, you know, we'll see. Actually, my stream might be later tomorrow, so I might actually end up. I'm gonna have to do an evening stream or like late afternoon stream. So I might actually be updated when I do end up playing tomorrow. Not that that'll really affect me, as I said. I don't think that there'll be anything, but like maybe there are. Like I really don't think there's gonna be like a secret hidden aspect to this update. I think it's just going to be the items, and then maybe we'll get another one in March for an anniversary thing, or maybe it'll be just after, or maybe it'll be like a Bunny Day V2, right? Because that came out like shortly. When did it come out? When did it come out? Ooh, hey, it came out on like day one, right? Isn't it a day one patch? Yep. It's me clicking on the wrong things, don't mind me. Okay. Yeah, it released March 19th, one day before the launch. It was Bunny Day. But when did Bunny Day actually start? April 1st. So realistically speaking, they're either going to do an anniversary update, Bunny Day V2 update, both, none. Like, we should see another update before the end of March. For at least something, I'd say, because they could update this event, or they could not, and they could do the anniversary thing, or they could not, or they could do both. Like, I don't know. I think that we should see at least something before the end of March, but honestly, you never know. You don't know what they're planning. But that's that, basically. So we'll see what the data miners say. If I find anything, I'll obviously mention it on a future stream. But until then, we're just going to get through this week, and when Monday hits, it'll be Ordering Frenzy. So I might have to use my second character to get extras of certain things. Honestly, it could be a good idea just to have, like, one of each of the things, because it's going to be... I don't know how limited it is at this point, right? I just know it's available as of the 1st. So, once again, we'll wait and see what happens next week, and then I'll start being able to capture some bugs, and fish. So I'll put a plan in place for that, and I'll start streaming longer on certain days. I'll also be looking for the spider crabs and firefly squid, so I can get the last creature for the museum. So, yeah, I mean, this week, it's going to be chill. It's going to be very easy. Visitors we have, who are they? I have Flick, Red, Leaf, and Kix. Last week we have Sahara and LaBelle already, so I should... Ooh, not again. Oh, no. Man, okay, so I should... This sucks. I am back in this situation with Gulliver and Gullivar. If I don't have Gulliver or Gullivar to... I hate this. This weird thing where if, like, they line up one day next to each other, it just gives you a random one. Like, I could have Leaf again this week, which would suck. Literally the worst. So, I don't know. If I don't have one of them tomorrow, I'm probably in trouble. And then if I have Leaf on Thursday, I'm very much in trouble. So, not happy about that, but I'm going to hope for the best. So yeah, we're just going to get through the rest of this week, deal with the visitors, check the stores, probably not get anything. And as of next week, I will have some, you know, monthly targets and goals to hit, which will be nice because they'll get closer to getting all the model stuff ready. And be able to get all the new update stuff, and I'll have to update my spreadsheet and all that, which is going to be super fun. But whatever, I've ranted enough. I'm out of here. I will be on later tomorrow, as I said. Might be after the update is available. You never know. So we'll have to wait and see on that. And we'll take it from there.